Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about ascent and descent in carboxylic acid series. We can start with the ascent in the series reaction. That is conversion of a carboxylic acid into the next higher homologue in the series. A lower monocarboxylic acid can be converted into the next higher homologue, that is the one containing one carbon atom more than the parent carboxylic acid in this series using the following sequence of reactions. Here this is our parent carboxylic acid which is treated with the calcium hydroxide, that is the reaction between acid and base. It will converted into a salt. Here it will converted into calcium salt of carboxylic acid, that is RCO twice Ca, which on distilled with the salt calcium salts of formic acid, that is calcium formate. The acid getting reduced into aldehydes. So we get RCHO. This is the structure of aldehydes, which on reducing with the sodium borohydride, we get primary alcohol, that is RCH2OH. Then the primary alcohol is treated with the red phosphorus in the presence of bromine. It will convert it into alkyl bromide, that is RCH2Br. Then this alkyl halide treated with the alcoholic potassium cyanide KCN. Bromine getting substituted by cyanide group and we get RCH2CN, that is our alkyl cyanide. We know that cyanide on treating with the water in the presence of acid, that is our acid hydrolysis, it will convert it into acid, that is RCH2COH. Here the resultant carboxylic acid having one carbon more than the parent carboxylic acid. This is our ascending series reaction, or the conversion of a carboxylic acid into the next higher homologue in the series reaction. And the higher homologous series of carboxylic acid can be obtained from alkyl halides through another method, that is the reaction of alkyl halide and then magnesium. It will convert it into organometallic compound, that is RCH2MgBr, that is our Grignard reagent. This is an organometallic compound. This Grignard reagent, when treated with the carbon dioxide, it will convert it into RCH2 C double bond O minus MgBr, that is an adduct. And this adduct followed by hydrolysis and heating, it will convert it into carboxylic acid, that is the product will be RCH2COH. So this acid can be obtained through two different methods. One is through the hydrolysis of cyanide group. Another method is through the carbonation reaction of Grignard reagent and followed by hydrolysis. These are the two different methods to obtain higher homologous series of carboxylic acid. That's about ascending series reaction. Next is descent in the series of reaction. Here, conversion of a carboxylic acid into the next lower homologue in the series. That is, a higher monocarboxylic acid can be converted into the next lower homologue, which means having one carbon atom less than the parent carboxylic acid. Using the following sequence of reactions. Here this is the parent carboxylic acid. First it is converted into amides by treating with the ammonia followed by heating. That is, when it is treated with ammonia, it will converted into ammonium salt. Followed by heating, water molecule getting eliminated and it will converted into RCH2 CONH2. That is our amide. Which on treating with the bromine in the presence of KOH. That is a famous reaction called Hofmann bromamide reaction. Amide will converted into primary amine. So here RCH2 CONH2 will converted into RCH2NH2. Then primary amine treating with the HNO2 nitrous acid. How can you obtain nitrous acid? By treating HCl with the sodium nitrite, we get nitrous acid HNO2. Then amine will converted into alcohol by treating with the nitrous acid. Then alcohol can be converted into carboxylic acid by the oxidation with the KMnO4. Here RCH2OH will converted into RCOH. So here one carbon decrement taken place in the Hofmann bromamide reaction. That is also called Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. So here one carbon less than the reactant. Then followed by treating with the HNO2 and followed by oxidation, we get the product carboxylic acid which having one carbon less than the parent carboxylic acid. That is descent in the series of carboxylic acid. That's about ascent and descent in the carboxylic acid series reactions, and it is very important to convert higher and lower monocarboxylic acid series.